Brian, come to me. Come to me. Between me and you. See that pile of wood right there? Whoa, can.
Oh, I see her. Another hen. Right under that water.
You want to take the shot?
If it'll go.
Where do you see the hen?
It's under the
Oh,
log.
wow.
It's laying across the log. You'll see it.
Ken, over here. Gage, get him. Woo! You're a bird, Gage. You're on tape. Let's go. We got him.
Oh boy, here. Here, Dad. Oh boy.
All right, how about we give your dad a couple shots? Your uncle. Yeah. Brian shot it. That thing was tucked in, just not moving. I kicked it the other way because otherwise it would have came right in my face. And it just ran.